Hello, my name is Teacher Sylvia with Options for Learning, and today's activity is a measurement activity. What you need for this is something to transfer the water from one container to the next. So look around the house with your child, ask them what can we use to move some water, and maybe you can use some sort of measuring cup, a sponge, eyedropper, a spoon, and a cup are just some ideas that you can use. You'll need, if you'd like to, make a chart to chart how many scoopfuls it takes. You'll need some paper and a crayon marker, something to write with, some towels, a container to fill, and a container with water. So the items that you have your child choose what they would like to use to transfer the water from this one container to the next, and have them count how many times it takes them to fill this container. So they would fill the scoop and they would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It took 8 scoops to fill this container with water. So if you're using your graph, you can write down the different items that you'll be using to transfer the water. I just drew a simple picture. You can have your child help you with that. Have them label your picture or have them draw the picture. And so it took 8 scoopfuls. So here we could write the number 8, or if your child can, have them write the number 8 for you. So it took 8 scoopfuls. And after you do the different items that your child chooses, you can compare and talk about that, which one took more, and which one took less, and why do you think that is? So you can also use a sponge if you'd like, which is a lot of fun on a nice warm day. Just be sure to have some towels handy. And you can ask your child to submerge or dunk the sponge into the water, and they would squeeze the water into the container, and have them count how many times they had to do that to fill this container. So we have 1, 2, 3, so forth and so on until you fill the container. And if you use something small like this, then you want to make sure to use a smaller container to fill, because this would take a very long time. So you can try to find something else to fill if you use something small. Something larger, it's okay to have a container this size. And then maybe when you complete it, find something else to fill. Or if your child wants to fill something larger or they see something else, go ahead and extend that activity with their ideas. And so be sure to have lots of towels ready for all that wet fun. And again, optional if you'd like to use your chart to compare and talk about how many different scoops it took or squeezes it took to fill that container. Hope you like the activity. See you next time. Thank you.